Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 20 plate. As you can see, I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some of the controls on the inside of it. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off firstly inside the boot area of the tailgate on this car will open electronically, as you can see. As we approach the back of the car, you'll also see the reversing sensors. Plenty of boot space as well. Currently, we've only got 5 seats in place. You can fold those rear 2 up to turn this vehicle into a 7-seater, should you wish to do so. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And then, as I mentioned, we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, though, firstly, you can see the alloy wheels are in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials first of all. On that left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. You can see the total miles of the car there, 34,539. We have our satellite navigation information being displayed in the middle. And over on the right-hand side, the rev counter. Within that, the fuel gauge, and it will show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We are in park currently. You can change information displayed up here using buttons on the steering wheel. The buttons in question are over here. We have voice activation for our phone once you paired up your phone, and we'll come to that in just a moment. And then cruise control on the left-hand side. Behind the steering wheel, the minus and plus paddles, so you can change up and down a gear manually with the automatic gearbox. And then into the center, the main touchscreen. So firstly, you have one physical button that takes you back to this main menu. We can swipe right for various options, including our audio options at the top there. And you can swipe left as well for lots of other, as you can see, a lot of safety related parking options, for example, your parking sensors, etc. But most of the main stuff is available on this home screen. So your satellite navigation, for example, is displayed there. Your audio menu, the main audio menu, you can select options down the left hand side here, and then you can have radio presets and what have you in the middle. We can pair up our phone. We have a car status menu, and at the very bottom, our climate control menu. So you can determine where you would like the air distributed. You can adjust the fan speed. You can turn your air conditioning off in this case, or back on again. You can also recirculate the air that's in the car should you wish to, which is a great way of heating it up or cooling it down quickly depending on the temperatures you set, which are adjustable in these corners here. So passenger and driver temperature. We've also got a heated driver's seat with 3 different heat settings, and a heated passenger seat, again, with 3 separate heat settings. On top of all of that, if I pop the car into reverse, we've got a full color reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen. Working our way down, we have the physical volume control, also other stereo controls, air conditioning for your screens there, and also hazard warning lights as well. We can open this section up. We've got some storage inside there, a 12-volt charging socket, the bulk of the storage through the middle, and you can close that section over should you wish to. We've got 2 cup holders in there as well. The gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function. You can change the driving mode of the car from here. We've got our gearbox or gear lever for the automatic gearbox, as I say, and in the middle of it all is where you will switch the car off, which is what I've just done, and start it again. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. The last thing I wanted to run through is the paperwork we have for the car. So firstly, the envelope contains the spare key, so 2 keys in total. We have the V5 registration document showing this is a 1-owner car from new, and then the service book for the vehicle with the pre-delivery inspection in 2020, and then stamps in 21, 22 and 2023 as well. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you soon.